Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the PayPay update, and this is breaking down. And I've actually told you the script 2 to 3 days ago. Okay, so if you go back into the videos and you watch the videos of the ones that I made, I started off with the ascending, rising wedge right over here, and rising wedge is of course a negative pattern that actually shows a break is going to come, and we might actually see this technical target of 1701. So of course, if you're not going to make it up to 4158, you really need to get up to 4158 to really disable everything to go to the downside. So at the moment, it's pretty clear. You have your rising wedge, and there's no doubt the rising wedge technical target is down 1701. So if you ever see PEIPEI coming down to 1701, that is because of the rising wedge in the future, just for you to let you know. And that's it for the video. I'm not going to stretch it out, and I'm going to the next one. Allah Hafiz.